Yo, on this channel I'll be teaching you the most easiest way, most fun way for you to learn Mandarin Chinese. Yeah, now, let's start learning. Buckle up. Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 44 of Mandarin Chinese. Today we're continuing learning about the Earth vocabulary. North Pole is called 北极 北极 Northern Hemisphere is called 北半球 北半球 Southern Hemisphere is called 南半球 南半球 Now, let's review the words again. 北极北半球南半球 This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment. Click the subscribe and notification button. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.